Hello everyone, good afternoon, welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we will discuss about decoder circuit. I'll explain in detail what is decoder circuit and what are the types of decoder circuit like 2 into 4 decoder circuit, 3 into 8 decoder circuit, 4 into 16 decoder circuit. So most importantly, how to design a decoder circuit and how to implement a Boolean expression by using decoder circuit. So without further delay, we'll start the lecture. My name is SR Prusty and you are watching my lovely channel, Love You Science. So let's start. Heading there, the decoder circuit. Decoder actually क्या है? It is a multi-input, multi-output combinational logic circuit. It is a multi-input and multi-output combinational circuit. So if there are n number of line in input side, so the output will have 2 to the power n number of line. मतलब if input is n, output will be 2 to the power n. So based on that, we can classify decoder in various categories like 2 into 4 decoder, 3 into 8 decoder and 4 into 16 decoder as per your syllabus. So पहले definition लिख लेते हैं. It is a multi-input and multi-output combinational circuit. So input has n number of line. It's a multi-input. This side is input. If input has n number of line, so the output will have 2 to the power n number of line. So based on that, we can classify decoder in various categories like 2 into 4, 3 into 8, 4 into 16 decoder. If it is 2 into 4 decoder, matlab output is 2, input is 2. There are 2 line in input and output has 4 line. 2 to the power n, matlab 2 to the power 2 is 4. Okay. Similarly, if input has 3 line, then output has 8 number of line. Matlab 2 to the power 3 is 8. So that is called 3 into 8 decoder. ये क्या था? 2 into 4 decoder. That is 3 into 8 decoder. If there are 4 number of line in input and the output line will be 16, matlab 2 to the power 4, that is 16. So it is called 4 into 16 decoder. I repeat again, decoder is a multi-input, multi-output combinational circuit. It has, if n number of input it has, the output will have 2 to the power n. If input is 2, output will be 4, that is 2 into 4 decoder. If input has 3 line, output has 8 line, that is called 3 into 8 decoder. If input has 4, output has 16 line, that is called 4 into 16 decoder. So next is, what are the application of decoder? The application of decoder क्या है? मतलब फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन, बहुत सारा एप्लीकेशन है. Binary to octal conversion, we can use that. And second application will be binary to hexadecimal. These are the application. And third one is binary to decimal also. For binary to octal, we can use 3 into 8 decoder. Octal मतलब क्या है? Octal का वैल्यू जो है, there are how many numbers? It allows 0 to 7 only. So there are 8 number of output. For that, we need 3 into 8 decoder. So input must have 3 line. For binary to hexadecimal, it allows the number from 0 to 15. So there are how many number of line, output line? That will be 16. So the input must have 4 line. So for that we need 4 into 16 decoder. And for binary to decimal का range क्या है? 0 to 9. So there it allows how many number? Only 10 number, 0 to 9. So for that we need 4 into 16, not 3 into 8. It is clear? So next is, we'll design a 2 into 4 decoder. design of 2 into 4 decoder. So as I have told, 2 into 4 decoder matlab there are two input. Let input are A and B, and there are how many output? 4 output, like D0, D1, D2 and D3. So what about its truth table? There are two input A and B, output as D0, D1, D2 and D3. So what are the possibility? What are the possible input? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So coming to the output side, the D0 will be active when A will be 0, B will be 0. And in rest place, you just put 0. And D1 will be active when A is 0 and B is 1. Matlab we just put 1 in this place, and in remaining place we'll put 0. D2 will be active when A is 1, B is 0. Matlab here we'll put 1, and in rest place we'll put 0. And last one is D3. D3 will be active when A is 1, B is 1. And in rest place you mention 0, 0. Okay? So what about this equation in SOP form? Output equation in SOP form. So D0 क्या होगा? देखो D0 will take the corresponding input. Corresponding input क्या है? 0, 0. 0 मतलब क्या है? A bar, and this 0 also B bar. मतलब 0 D0 is A bar B bar. And D1 क्या है? देखो D1 you take corresponding input. मतलब A bar into B. A bar into B. Coming to third one, D2, what are the input? 1, 0. So D2 is A into B bar. A into B bar. Coming to last one, what are the input? 1, 1. 1, 1 matlab A into B. So D3 is A into B. So now the point is, by taking that output equation, we can design a 2 into 4 decoder circuit. So we need two input. See, we have two input here, A and B, right? So if I'll take one NOT gate here, so after NOT gate, this point will be A bar or A dash. Similarly, we can take one more NOT gate. So what is the this side? This point, it will be B bar. Matlab we have two input A and B, and by taking two NOT gate, we are getting A bar and B bar. Then by taking that output equation, we can design the circuit. देखो A bar into B bar मतलब we need a AND gate. That means we are multiplying A bar to B bar. So we have A bar here and B bar here. We can take B bar line from this point, and there is a AND gate. So मतलब ये side is A bar, this side is B bar. What is the output? A bar into B bar, which is your D naught. Similarly, D1 के लिए क्या चाहिए? A bar चाहिए और B चाहिए. A bar you can take from here, and B you can take from here. So it will be D1, that is A bar into B. Okay. D2 के लिए check करो. D2 is what? A into B bar. We can take A from here, and where is B bar? This one is B bar. मतलब A B bar. We need an AND gate. So D2 is A into B bar. Okay. And coming to last one, D3. D3 के लिए क्या चाहिए? A चाहिए और B चाहिए. We have A and B. We can take one line from each part. One from A, another from B, and we take a AND gate. So मतलब ये A and B. The output is D3, that is A and B. So ये हो गया आपका 2 into 4 decoder circuit. I hope it is clear. Next is 3 into 8 decoder. As I've told, in 3 into 8 decoder, matlab there are 3 input A, B, C, and what are the output? D0, D1 up to D7. There are how many output? 8 output. सो ये ब्लॉक डायग्राम हो गया 3x8 डिकोडर का. Then coming to its truth table, what are the input? A, B and C. A, B and C, these are the input. And what are the output? D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. ठीक है. So what are the possible input? What are the possibility of input? मतलब 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110 and 111. Corresponding decimal value क्या है? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. ठीक है. सो आउटपुट में क्या है? D1, D0 will be active when A, B, C all are having low value or zero value. If A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, then D0 will be active. मतलब we just write or mention 1 here, and in rest we simply mention 0. Similarly, D1 will active when A is 0, B is 0 and C is 1. So बाकी जगह में डाल दो 0 except this place. Similarly, for this one, for D2 you mention here 1 and in rest part will be 0, and for D3 you mention here 1 and बाकी जगह में 0 डाल दो, and for D5 and for D6 you mention here 1, मतलब बाकी जगह में 0 डाल दो. For D6 here it, and for D7 1 will be here and बाकी जगह में डाल दो 0. ठीक है. ये हो गया ट्रूथ टेबल ऑफ 3x8 डिकोडर. Now the point is, looking from the truth table, we can design that 3x8 decoder. For that we need to write this equation of output like D0 to D7 in SOP form, sum of product. So D पहले लिखते हैं. D0 मतलब क्या है? D0 corresponding input is 0 0 0, मतलब 0 0 0. So that is A bar, B bar, C bar. And D1 क्या है? D1 के लिए corresponding input क्या है? ये D1 है. corresponding input क्या है? 0 0 1, मतलब 0 0 1. So that is A bar, B bar, C. Similarly for D2 it is 0 1 0. So answer is A bar, B, C bar. And D3 0 1 1. So it is A bar, B, C. And D4 check करो एक बार. D4 इधर है. corresponding input are 0, corresponding input are 1 0 0, मतलब 1 0 0. 1 means A and this is B bar, C bar. And D5 is 1 0 1. check करो एक बार. देखो this is 1, corresponding input are 1 0 1, 1 0 1, मतलब A, B bar, C. And D6 क्या है? 1 1 0. that means A, B, C bar. ठीक है. and here I am writing D7 क्या है? 1 1 1, मतलब A, B, C. So I have written the same thing here again. Now we'll design the circuit by taking this output equation. A, B, C, these are the input. You take one NOT gate, so it will be A bar. Another NOT gate you take to have B bar. One more NOT gate we take to get C bar. So first we need D naught का equation expression क्या है? A bar, B bar, C. So that means we can take one line from A bar, second line from B bar, third line from C bar, right? And we'll multiply For multiplication we need, sorry not this one, C bar. ठीक है, मतलब ये A bar, B bar, ये C bar. So D naught will be A bar, B bar, C bar. For second one, A bar, B bar, C. So we take one input from A bar, one line from A bar, second line from B bar, and third line from C. Where is C? This line is C. And one AND gate will be there. So it will be A bar, B bar, C. Similarly, third one, A bar, B, C. A bar we can take from here, B we can take from here, and C bar. So this one is C bar. So ये हो गया आपका D2, मतलब A bar, B, C bar. Next is D3. D3 क्या है? A bar, B, C. So this one is your A bar, ठीक है, and here it is B, and this is your C. It is your D3, मतलब A, B bar, C bar. Sorry, D3 A bar, B, C. A bar, B, C. ठीक है. Next is D4 क्या है? A, B bar, C bar. So A, B bar, C bar. D4 A, B bar, C bar. D5 क्या है? A, B bar, C. ये तो A, B bar, C, मतलब A, what is B bar? B bar, and this is C. So A, B bar, C. It is your D5. A, B bar, C. Similarly, you can do for D6 and D7. Okay. So ये हो गया the design of 3x8 decoder circuit. Hope it is clear. Now we'll design a 2x4 decoder circuit by using a NAND gate. मतलब we'll design 2x4 decoder circuit by using NAND gate. NAND gate पता होगा आपको. See, what I would suggest about the logic gate, you should remember the truth table of each and every gate, like your NOT, starting from NOT gate, OR gate, NOR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. These are very basic thing you should know. So AND gate क्या होता है? If there are two input, ये हो गया आपका AND gate का symbol. Now, if we'll put a NOT gate here, so the entire circuit will act as a NAND gate. मतलब AND plus NOT is NAND. ये NAND gate है. So directly also you can mention like this. ये हो गया NAND gate का symbol. So one more thing we remember, if both the input are sorted, then that will act as NOT gate. ठीक है. Okay, we'll design 2x4 decoder circuit. 2x4 decoder by using NAND gate. So already I have explained the truth table, how to write the truth table, how to design 2x4 decoder circuit. For that you need two input and output are D0, D1, D2, D3. So what are the output equation? D0 is 0, 0, D1 is 0, 1, D2 is 1, 0, and D3 is 1, 1. Corresponding input are A and B. So it will be A bar, B bar, and this is A bar, B, and this will be A, B bar, and for D3 it is AB. So these are the outcome or output from that decoder circuit. So we'll design that 2x4 decoder circuit by using NAND gate. So here we need AND gate, but we have to design the circuit by using NAND gate. So how to design the circuit? Remember NAND gate के लिए काम करो. In place of D0 क्या है? A bar, B bar. What I can write down? A bar, B bar. I can put a bar here. To nullify this bar, I can take another bar. इसमें कुछ problem नहीं. Nothing will change. You keep your original value and you take one bar here. To nullify this bar, you put one more bar here. ठीक है. Similarly here also A bar, B. you take 2 bar consecutively, and same thing for here. Is it clear why I am doing this one? Because I have to design the circuit by using NAND gate. Okay, so the one bar will nullify another bar. So how to design here? So we can take A and this one is B. A and B, these are the input. Okay, and this is your A bar and this is your B bar. Okay, okay, we need D0, D1, D2, D3. So that means we have to take a gate by taking this expression. So मतलब A bar B bar चाहिए पहले, A bar into B bar. So I can take one line from A bar here, another line from B bar. So ये सर्किट क्या हो गया? ये सर्किट आपका A bar B bar. Then over that you have a bar, another bar also. So मतलब I can take one NOT gate here for this bar. Understood? Again I can take one NOT gate. Again I repeat, if I'll take AND gate, your output is A bar B bar. So if I'll take a NAND gate, the output will be A bar B bar over bar, मतलब bar of A bar B bar. If another NOT gate is there, then your answer will be what? The bar of A bar B bar. Understood? मतलब A bar B bar of bar, again another bar. ठीक है, ये आपका क्या है, कौन सा वाला? ये आपका D नॉट है. ये भी मैंने आपको बोला था, the NOT gate, if both the input are sorted, that will act as a NOT gate, AND gate, NAND gate also. Similarly for second one, second के लिए क्या चाहिए? A bar B चाहिए, तो you can take A bar from here and B from here. ठीक है, and you take a AND gate, मतलब A bar into B is AND gate. Bar मतलब you just take a NOT gate here, मतलब you'll take a NAND gate, जैसे ऊपर था ऐसे भी है NAND gate. ठीक है, then और एक बार चाहिए, for that you take a NOT gate. Understood? ये क्या है? A bar B bar bar, मतलब bar of A bar B, that is your D1. Getting my point? ये भी one type of NAND gate, जैसे मैंने बोला था, if two input are sorted, that will act as a NAND gate. For third one, for D2, we need what? A B bar. I can take A from here and B bar from here. A B bar. Then I need 2 bar. पहले तो AND है, then एक NOT, मतलब ये NAND हो गया. ऐसा ना, मतलब आउटपुट क्या मिल गया? बार ऑफ A B bar. ठीक है, again, but we need bar of A B bar. For that we have to take one more NOT gate here. So what is the output here? A B bar bar bar. So that is your D2. And for last one it is A B bar. So that means I can take A from here and B from here. क्या चाहिए? A B, ये तो मल्टीप्लाई हो गया AND गेट, इसके बार चाहिए. बार मतलब क्या है? एक नॉट गेट. टोटल क्या हो गया? एक NAND गेट. उसके बाद और एक बार है, उसके लिए क्या करना है? और एक नॉट देना है. तो ये आपका क्या हो गया? A B bar bar, that is D3. So that means we can design 2x4 decoder by using NAND gate. So there are how many NAND gate? 4 NAND gate here, 4 NAND gate, and these are also NAND gate. NOT gate, you can say NOT gate is a NAND gate. Condition क्या है? If both the input are sorted, like input, only one input. Now we'll implement a Boolean function which is given in a mean form by using 3x8 decoder circuit. मतलब implementation of a function which is given in mean form. Let us take an example. A function is given like this. Here mean terms are 0, 4 and 6. मतलब we'll implement this function by using 3 into 8 decoder circuit. For that we need to design a decoder 3 into 8 decoder circuit, then we'll take that mean value. So जैसे मैंने बोला था already, I have explained 3 into 8 decoder circuit. ये 3 into 8 decoder circuit. So how many input it has? It has 3 input like A, B and C. What are the output? There are how many output? 8 output. Like your D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. These are the output. Okay. So what are the equation of output? जैसे मैंने बोला था ये क्या है 0 0 0 मतलब A बार B बार C बार. This is 0 0 1 मतलब A बार B बार C. ये क्या है 0 1 0, it is A बार B C बार. D3 is 0 1 1 which is A bar B C. D4 is 1 0 0 मतलब A B bar C bar. D5 is 1 0 1 which is A B bar C. D6 1 1 0 which is A B C bar. D7 is 1 1 1, that means A B C. So these are the output, like from D0 to D7. So we'll have to check what is the min term. The min term are 0, 4 and 6. Okay. So 0, 0 and this one is 4. Which one is 4? Ye 0 value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 8 values. So we'll take which one? 0, 4 and 6. So 0 matlab this one is D0. Okay, D0 is A bar B bar C. Next is 4. 4 matlab we have to take D4. D4 is A B bar C bar. And next one is 6. Where is 6? Here is 6. 6 matlab D6. D6 is like A B C. A B C bar. Okay. So क्या करना है, इसको सिंपली ऐड करना है और कुछ नहीं है. So that means we take one point from here, ठीक है, another point from here and third point from D6 and we will take a OR gate. इसको ऐड करना है, ये हो गया फाइनल आउटपुट. So output is D0 plus D4 plus D6 मतलब A bar B bar C bar plus A B bar C bar plus A B C bar. ये हो गया फाइनल आउटपुट. और बाकी सब जो है इसे रखो. Okay. So with this I'm ending this lecture. Hope you understood what I've explained. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.